Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by enabling dictation and choosing your mic so the Mac can capture clear audio. Open System Settings, go to Keyboard, then Dictation. Switch Dictation on and pick Enhanced or on Device Processing for offline accuracy. Next, choose the correct input device, internal mic, USB headset, or a Bluetooth mic to reduce background noise. Once done, set the language and shortcut trigger. This lets you start dictation quickly and ensures the Mac listens to the right source. Once dictation is active, configure accessibility options and shortcuts to streamline use. Open keyboard shortcuts to set a convenient trigger, press twice or assign a custom key so you can start dictation without hunting menus. Then adjust microphone input level in sound settings and confirm the dictation language and region. This improves word recognition. Make sure punctuation commands are enabled if you want spoken commas and periods. Finally, test a short paragraph to confirm timing and responsiveness. Now you use dictation for real work. Speak naturally, pause briefly between sentences, and say punctuation when needed. After you finish, save or edit the transcription in Notes, Pages, Mail, or any app that accepts text. You can copy and paste into other tools. If accuracy falls short, make sure the mic is selected and unobstructed, confirm language and region choices, and verify microphone access in privacy settings. If problems persist, restart dictation or reboot the Mac to refresh audio services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.